I got the new head in. Came from in that box over there. Came from Clearwater Cylinder Head out of Clearwater, Florida for $400. It looks pretty good. I need to take those off, put them over here. Basically I got to strip this head and put all the parts on this one. And I got like 15 days left to ship this head back for free in that box to them. Now, I'm all in shadow here. It's morning and it's sunny. Bottom of this looks really good. In contrary to right there, that's my issue with this head. It got all chewed up there. And it's also getting this head back out of the car. I broke one of these things. Which one? Yeah, this one right here. I broke this. Just split right there. Got to get everything off this head onto that head, then I can get the head back in the car. Got a new head gasket. Work on the timing belt. I got a new timing belt. I was able to get the crank nut off. And I'll go over that. I gotta start assembling this stuff. So I got the head in, the new head. It's all shiny and everything, but I ran into an issue. First I put the head on first, and I was gonna put the intake on after. The problem I have is the head that came from Clearwater Head Shop, right down there. Where's my camera on this thing? There's my stuff. Anyways, right there. Studs to put the intake on. Here, down here. It didn't come with them. It came with these studs for the exhaust. Right here. We're in reference here. It came with these studs, but it didn't come with the intake studs. So I grabbed vice grips, and this one came off like a dream. Went on YouTube and I saw 2 separate videos, and I'm like, okay, well, let's give it a shot. Essentially what it comes down to is these are 12 millimeter. This one I haven't done. This one I've loosened using their technique. Alright, so I put a 12 millimeter to tighten. Okay, so a 12 millimeter to tighten. Reverse this nut. No, I want the bolt pattern to go down. Alright, like that. So that will loosen it technically. Now we grab another nut. I just grabbed one off of here. This we want the flat side to go down, so it'll be flat on flat. Now we grab a 12 millimeter socket, which is hopefully going the correct way. And this is where it gets tricky. I'm going to have to use my knee to hold this one down. We're going to tighten these completely together. Just tighten them together. That hurts my knee. And hopefully now, stabilize. Yeah, the stud's coming, I think. Yep, Stud's coming. Yep, stud is coming out now. Come on, stud. You should just stud. By the way, I used PB Blaster about an hour ago on these things. But this way you don't damage the threads of the stud because, you know, I've already got the block down, all the head bolts back in and torqued, and yeah, I didn't see this part. And of course, you got to get the stud out because your freaking wrench is stuck. And with this socket, I have to get the stud completely out before I can get the nuts off. And right there, one stud. And then you just use your wrench setup to separate these two, and you're good to go. Because this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So I'm halfway done to getting them all off, and maybe tomorrow I'll put them on the engine.